In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate Wix website to a Shopify account. So first thing we need to do is we have to go and search for cart to cart. So here, this is the first option that would go cart to cart. First link, you have to click on that. After that, here, we have here two options for cart to cart. So on the left side, we go ahead and search for Wix. Then on the right side, we go ahead and search for Shopify. So there you go, which means it would migrate the Wix website into our Shopify account. So after that, all you need to do is to go to free demo now. Just go ahead and sign in or add your email. So I'll sign in. Just go ahead and sign in in Google. I'll sign in with my Google account. Continue. Now that I've signed into my account, you just have to wait. Choose your role to personalize your app journey. So for example, you're a store owner. Okay, so you can start your migration from here. So just all you need to do is to just go ahead and start the free demo or get assisted migration for cart to cart team. So basically there's a team that will assist you, or you can calculate your migration price. After that, of course, it's not for free. You have to go, comes with a cost. So basically this is your fee after doing the migration. So just go ahead and start the free demo. Then after that, you just have to wait. After that, just go ahead and source cart. You want here, of course, Shopify. Just go ahead and then paste the store URL. So yeah, there you go. And then after that, you just go ahead and go for Wix. After going to Wix, you just go ahead and store the store URL as well for your Wix or your domain. After that, you just have to go API, admin, and then source store connection. Then you just have to follow the next step and just go ahead and go with the steps which would actually migrate your Wix to Shopify.